Hello, my name's Gwen and I am unboxing my new Gucci belt. I bought this a couple of weeks ago. I haven't opened it yet. I am 5'4" and a size 18. I'm very round. I'm an apple shape, and I never thought that I'd be able to find a designer belt that would actually go around my waist. So I was delighted to find that Gucci belts do. I like a bit of Gucci anyway. So I bought this in Selfridges. That's my Selfridges receipt. And even the belts come beautifully boxed. Look at that. Lovely stuff. Okay, here we go. Undo that ribbon. You can only ever do that once, because as we know, we can never retie them. Okay, now opening the beautiful, beautiful Gucci box. And the belt is in its own little dust bag, which I love. I'm a sucker for a dust bag. And if we open this up, my hair's still a bit wet, so that's why it looks a bit straggly. Here we go. I went for the Marmont Double G 4cm, and this is in size 110 centimeters, so not even the largest size. How chuffed was I? Okay, I usually wear a 4cm belt around my waist, which is why I went for this one.